Okay, so now I just want to revise the script so that we take full advantage of the function that we just wrote. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that snippet, paste it in, and then kind of just walk through these instructions. So the first thing is to comment out the sections above that made and drew B1 and B2. Okay, so here's a place where we made and drew. So I'm going to comment that out. I want to keep our function because that thing's going to be helpful. But then this bit here, so I just click, I hold the shift down, click, hold shift down, click again, kind of does a block highlight, and then command or control slash. Same thing, click, shift, you don't need the display. This is a place where we displayed the image. So I'm just going to comment out this whole section. And I'm going to comment out this section where we made the image for band one. So at the end here, all I really want to do is load the image collection and create a dictionary for the study years, and then comment it out, keep the function, comment out, and then we're here. So check, I did step one. Step two, I'm just basically giving to you. We're going to redefine the set center, the set options, and the viz. So I told you to comment them out, but they're helpful, so we're going to bring them back here. But everything's going to be kind of closer together, and so whatever. We're just going to have this here. Now we need to start calling the function to remake all the bands. So I'm going to go find this bit right here where we called make image for bands. And I'm going to grab that, and then I'm going to say that B1 is going to be the make image for band years B1. B2, I'm just going to paste that again and just switch that. And then here, I'm going to switch again, just changing the year argument to call on each year that we defined in our dictionary up there. Is that okay? So we've got B1, B2, B3, and that's that. Let's do a quick thing here where we kind of print like our, and this is going to be our bands, and this is as a string. I'm going to say, let's print our bands, and I'm going to say B1, B2, B3, and wink at that and say run. So are we looking good? Sorry, it's going to be mad about that. Oops. Let's comment that out and run it again so it doesn't get so angry at me. So there's our bands. Image 1 is 2013, image 2 is 2003, and this one is 1993. We've changed to double. We're going to live with that for right now. In a future version of this, I may do something a little bit different so that these images are not so big. But we're just going to live with that for right now because I'd like to wrap this up, and I bet you would too. So okay, but things look, I think, pretty good. We have our 3 years that we're hoping for. It seems like that function's working. So now let's just kind of add these so that we can visually inspect it. We're going to say, all right, B1 is going to be, I'm going to call on the viz that I have right there. And then the only kind of thing I have to do that is kind of new this week is the string years B1, right? So, and that's a period. So what I'm saying is that for the name, again, go ahead and grab this number, but turn it into a string so that we can use it as a label. And then I'm going to say false, and see how that works. So is it going to draw? Cool, it draws. All right, and so now I'm just going to copy this, paste it in here, and now I want this to be B2, and I want that to be B2, and I'm feeling lucky, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this out before I ask it to draw. Run. So I've added now B2 and changed the name to years B2. I've added B3, changed the names to years B3, and I should now have, there's 1993 on top, and then if I take the top one off, there's 2003 underneath it, and there's 2013. So by doing this, you kind of click through the animation, and the next step is just to show that with those changes with additive color. So I'm going to hit save and go to the final video.